Are you ready to hear the shocking truths you didn't know about Trump's tariff trap? Economists have finally spoken, and what they're revealing might directly affect you. In this video, we unveil the hidden side of tariffs using simple yet striking data. If you'd like to see more content like this, we'll have a suggestion for you at the end. But now, let's dive in. Recently, the Trump administration began imposing aggressive tariffs on China, Canada, and Europe. The one simple question causes confusion. Who's really paying these extra tariffs? In theory, foreign countries, but in reality, as import prices rise, the cost is paid by the consumer. That means us. From your morning coffee to tech gadgets, many products are quietly getting more expensive. If you want to understand how these economic manipulations creep into our daily lives, give this video a like. It helps us reach more people. According to data from prestigious universities like Yale and UPenn, these tariffs cost each American family between $2,100 and $3,800 annually. What's more, projections show that these policies could shrink GDP by up to 6% and reduce wages by nearly 5% in the long run. And the most alarming part, the net economic loss per person could reach $22,000. At first glance, tariffs didn't seem to trigger inflation, but the effects are delayed. By June 2025, price increases in certain product categories ranged from 0.3 to 0.7 percentage points. Even Fed Chairman Powell called these increases a form of hidden inflation pressure. These price hikes don't hit you overnight. They quietly erode your wallet over months. If you appreciate clear and unbiased explanations of complex economic topics, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Tariffs don't just impact America's internal economy. They shake the entire global trade system. In response to the 30% tariffs imposed on the EU, European countries began retaliatory tariffs. The result, over $100 billion in economic countermeasures. It's become a global chain of revenge. And in the end, it's the ordinary consumer who pays the price. While Trump's tariffs may sound like a strong protective wall, economists say they're actually a hidden tax. So while you think you're not paying taxes, you're actually doing it quietly at every checkout. In this video, we've only scratched the surface of the iceberg. For deeper analysis and follow-ups on topics you're curious about, just comment one more or drop your content ideas below.